Hello and welcome to my channel, It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor and today's video is going to be a quick whole house speed clean with me. I'm going to show you my daily tricks to help keep the house clean and just maintain once you do that deep clean at the beginning of the week or whenever you do your deep clean on the whole house, how you can maintain that and keep it clean. So we're going to start in my family room area. This is where my family spends most of their time. I like to try to keep this tidy every day because it gets messy really quickly. We spend a lot of time here watching movies, just hanging out in the afternoons, or me and my husband during the daytime, we spend a lot of time here. I usually try to do this type of clean when my youngest son Lincoln is napping, but on this particular day he did not take a nap and just was kind of all over the place, so I did it while he was awake. But I like to do this like after lunchtime, once we've had our lunch. This is just a quick and easy prep for me before dinner to just have things straightened up and out of the way so that when I'm making dinner, I'm not like thinking about all the mess that I have to clean up after dinner. I know I only have to focus on the kitchen when dinner is done.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind.
So another thing that I've started doing is doing at least one load of laundry a day. This helps me out so much to not have the laundry pile up. Just put in one load of laundry, wash it, dry it, fold it, and put it away. It's so much easier to do and stay on top of laundry when I'm just doing one load a day. I get through that basket, fold it, and I put everything away. Sometimes my older son Jackson, I'll have him put away his own clothes, but on this particular day I just wanted to go ahead and get everything out of the way, and he's been having a lot of homework in the afternoons, so I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and I'll put his clothes away from him for him. But normally when I'm folding our clothes, because I will wash everyone's clothes together sometimes, I will sort piles for everyone. This makes it easier to put things away. And for my son Jackson, when I have him put his own clothes away, I would normally separate all of his things because I have his drawers separate just to make it a little bit easier for him. He's 7 years old and sometimes he gets confused about what goes where, so I'll separate his pajamas, his t-shirts, his school shirts, shorts, underwear. I'll do separate piles for all of that and sit that on his bed so that when he comes home he knows, let me go ahead and put these things away. Also, I need some advice, you guys. Lincoln's clothes have been getting stained really easily. This is actually just mac and cheese that stained his shirt, and I'm having a really hard time getting some of these stains out. So let me know what you all use to get stains out. Before, when he was younger and his clothes would get stained, it wouldn't bother me much because he would grow out of them really fast. But now he's 2 years old and he's still growing fast, but his clothes last a little longer. So I would like to be able to keep them a little longer and especially keep them looking nice. So let me know what advice you guys have for me to get some of these stains out.
That much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know
Now we are moving into the kitchen, and something that I do every single day, no matter what, is run the dishwasher. No matter how full or empty it is, I've gotten to the habit of running the dishwasher at least once a day. This helps me so much and helps me save so much time. I used to not run it every day because if it wasn't full enough, I would say, oh, I'll wait until tomorrow, but then tomorrow would come and there would be something in the dishwasher like a sippy cup or a pot that I would need, and I would get so frustrated because I'd have to pull things out and like like hand wash them. And then I recently read online that actually running your dishwasher is more efficient for saving water and energy than actually doing the dishes. So I've just gotten into the habit of in the morning and in the afternoon running the dishwasher whenever I need to run it. So in the mornings I try to unload the dishwasher so that I can load it throughout the day, and at night I will run it right after dinner or right before dinner, depending on like how much stuff I have in there. If it's really full, I'll run it before dinner so that I can unload it and load it again after dinner and then run it again. This is so helpful for me. It helps keep the counters clean and the sink empty. It just helps the kitchen look so nice, and it helps me stay on top of the dishes. So if you're a mom with little ones and you're trying to clean, magnets on the refrigerator are a great activity. These are perfect for when I'm trying to clean up or when I'm cooking dinner. I love using these magnets on the refrigerator to entertain Lincoln. And now we are moving on into the bathroom. So this is the boys' bathroom, and I literally have to clean in here every single day, especially after Jackson goes to school. It gets kind of messy in the mornings. So I like to just go in, wipe the counters down with the Lysol wipe. It keeps the counters from getting like too dirty throughout the week, but it also helps the bathrooms keep like a clean, fresh smell. I also wipe down the toilet with the Lysol wipe. I am a boy mom. Boy moms, you understand. The toilet, I cannot let it like get really messy, or at the end of the week it will be so gross. So I definitely like to go in and at least wipe off the top of the toilet with a Lysol wipe, but some days throughout the week I will get down on the floor and just get that clean, or I'll quickly bring in a mop with hot water and some type of cleaning solution just to mop that area around the toilet to help keep it clean. And I also like to dump the trash. If it's a little bit of things in there, I'll dump it into my kitchen trash. If it's a lot or I have guests coming, I will put it in a little bag and have my husband take it out.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
So I'm queuing up one of my favorite YouTube videos. I love watching YouTube while I clean. It just kind of keeps me entertained while I'm cleaning and also keeps me motivated. But I am cleaning off our dining room table. If you are not new to my channel, then you probably know this is a struggle area for me. So lately I've just been trying to really keep it clean, just every day, maybe twice a day, walking by, checking and seeing if there's anything that can be moved or put away. At this point in the day, I was working on a video, so I didn't want to completely move my computer, but I just wanted to go ahead and check and make sure, are there any items on this table that don't need to be here? Let's go ahead and get them put away so that at the end of the day, this table is not like completely cluttered and out of control, because at this point in the day, my older son Jackson still hadn't come home from school yet. My husband was out working and he was going to be back soon, so I just wanted to make sure that I had that space all cleared out so that it doesn't get out of control, where at the end of the day I'm saying, oh, I'll take care of it tomorrow. That's just been something that I've been trying to do. You guys wish me luck. It's been working. The table is clean right now as I speak. So keep me in your prayers that this table does not get out of control like it used to.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
All right, we are all done. That is my quick little midday tidy up. It definitely helps like maintain the clean. Don't get me wrong, like throughout the week, over the days, the messes slowly definitely start to pile up, but it definitely helps me get through like Monday through Friday until the weekend, when I have time to just actually do a deep clean on the whole house. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you have not already done so, and I will see you next time. Bye.